Hey there, Jonathan here from Maple Toyota. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 Tundra with the TRD Lift Kit. So in the front here we have a 3-inch lift. You'll see we have Bilstein shocks, so it's a longer shock and strut up in the front. We have forged steel upper control arms and longer CV axle shaft. All right, and now taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, we have a 2-inch lift. You'll notice the red Bilstein shocks, giving you an overall ground clearance increase of 2.6 inches on the frame. And the best thing here is, if you're ordering a brand new truck, you can have it installed at the dealer before you pick up. So as a factory accessory offered by Toyota, this does actually help you still maintain your warranty. So Toyota's gone through all of the ride and drive testing, making sure that the pre-collision system, your lane departure warning, all of your Toyota Safety Sense features are still going to work with this vehicle. If you are interested in this lift kit, please feel free to contact Maple Toyota Parts to learn more.